Welcome to this Petites Mains Creative Fashion tutorial. We're going to show you how to make the Meshily Chic Jacket with decorative tulle ribbons. You create it by using a very simple hand-weaving technique. This jacket can be done in an evening, hanging out by yourself, or why not together with some friends and a glass of wine. The tool we will have you use for this project is the crochet needle. Start trimming at the lower edge of the front of the jacket. Simply use the needle to pull the tulle ribbon up and down through every other hole of the jacket. This jacket is super versatile. Wear it with jeans as well as when dressing up. Do you want to know more about the exclusive jewelry and lovely manicure? Check out the online fashion magazine Petite Rev for beautiful editorials. Finish with the white ribbon before you start with the gray one. After you have finished the front of the jacket, continue with the sleeves. Use the same technique as previously. Cut off any excessive material and secure the ends with a few simple stitches. The needle and the thread you'll find on this lovely sewing doll, designed by fashion illustrator Isaac Zanou. For more fun projects, visit petitesmains-cf.com.